It's a typical weekday evening in the UK. You're feeling tired, just trying to get through your day. A parcel is due, and you've been waiting for it all day. Suddenly, your phone buzzes. A text appears. Delivery failed. Pay a small fee to reschedule. It seems small and harmless, so your brain says, "Fine, just get it done." Then another message arrives. This one looks like it's from your bank. Fraud team here. There's suspicious activity. Move your money to a safe account. Two messages, two different scams using the same tactic, urgency. Here's the truth. Most scams don't succeed because you're careless. They succeed because you're busy and they push you to act before you verify. Tonight, I'm going to show you 7 scam patterns affecting the UK, and more importantly, the simple process that stops them. Pause. Verify. Protect. Hey, welcome to UK Scam Radar by DacShield. Here, we keep things calm, clear, and practical. No fear, no hype, just straightforward steps to protect your money and accounts. Before we dive in, I have a quick favor to ask. If you want more UK scam warnings like this, please hit like and subscribe. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people. And if you know someone who shops online or runs a small business, share this video with them. It could save them a lot of stress. Now, let's set up the rules that stop most scams. Before the 7 scams, remember 3 crucial rules. Rule 1, don't tap, type it. If a message tells you to click a link, don't. Instead, type the official website yourself or open the trusted app you already use. Rule 2, inbound urgency is a red flag. If someone contacts you unexpectedly and pressures you to act immediately, that pressure is part of the scam. Rule 3, verify money requests with a second channel. If money is involved, confirm using a different method. Call back using an official number, check inside your banking app, or speak to a known person through a trusted route. When I say phishing, I mean messages designed to trick you into giving away information. Smishing is the same concept, but through SMS text. Social engineering involves criminals manipulating behavior, not technology. They exploit emotions like fear, urgency, and trust. MFA means multi-factor authentication, which adds a second step beyond just a password. A pass. Sword alone isn't enough. These terms may sound technical, but the protection is simple. Pause, verify, protect. Scam number 1, delivery text scams. This is smishing, phishing by text message. Here's what it looks like. Delivery failed. Address incomplete. Pay a small fee to reschedule. Let me give you a quick mini story. You're cooking, kids are noisy, or you've just sat down after work. You see the text. Because you're expecting a parcel, your brain connects the dots automatically. That's what scammers are counting on. High level, here's how it works. They send thousands of texts. They don't need to know who you are. They just need a percentage of people to be expecting a parcel. The message uses urgency, final notice, last chance. You tap the link. A page opens that looks official. It asks for a tiny payment or to confirm details. Either way, you type in information. And now they have something valuable. Card details, personal details, sometimes both. Why it matters. It's not about losing 79 pence. It can become multiple transactions, hidden subscriptions, and a lot of cleanup. Here's a fast red flag checklist. If you see 2 or more, treat it as suspicious. Urgency language, weird sender, spelling mistakes, no real order details, payment to release or reschedule, shortened or strange link. So what do? Don't tap, type it. Check the retailer app or type the courier site manually. Turn on bank alerts and secure your email with multi-factor authentication, because email is your master key. If you already clicked or paid, don't panic. Freeze the card in your banking app. Contact your bank through official channels. Change your email password. Turn on multi-factor authentication and check transactions for the next few days. Scam number 2, bank impersonation calls. This is classic social engineering. They don't need to hack the bank. They need to hack your decision-making. What it looks like, a caller claims to be from your bank's fraud team, saying there's suspicious activity. Then they push the big line, move your money to a safe account. Here's a mini story. You're at work, driving, or in a queue. The caller sounds confident. They may know your name and say, "I can see a suspicious payment." They keep you on the line, talking fast and creating urgency. That urgency is the trap. Key truth: your bank does not need you to move money to protect you. That safe account is often controlled by the scammer. Pattern interrupt. If you feel rushed, slow down. Inbound urgency is a red flag. Here's the safe script. Say it calmly. "I don't make financial decisions on inbound calls. I'm hanging up now. I will call back using the number on my card or inside my official app." Then hang up. Hang. What to do next? Call back using official details you already have. Never share one-time codes. Never install apps during a call. Enable bank alerts. Tell your family one rule: no transfers because someone called. If you already transferred money, act immediately. Contact your bank via official channels and report it as a scam transfer. Speed matters. Scam number 3, HMRC-style refund or penalty messages. These messages often claim a refund is available or a penalty is due, and they include a case number. They're designed to trigger fear because nobody wants tax trouble. Here's how it works. A link takes you to a fake page that collects your personal or payment details. Sometimes it leads to identity theft, playing the long game. Remember, real organizations don't need you to panic. Scammers do. So what should you do? Do not click the link. Do not reply. Instead, open a new browser tab and use official routes you already know. If you're running a business, create a simple policy. No tax actions via email links. If you've already entered your details, secure your email first. Change your passwords, monitor your accounts, and contact relevant organizations through official channels. Remember, don't tap, type it. Verify outside the message. Scam number 4, the WhatsApp Hi Mom scam. This scam preys on emotions. It starts with a simple message. "Hi Mom, new number, phone broken. I need money urgently." Sometimes they add, "Don't tell anyone." This request for secrecy is a major red flag. At a high level, it can involve pure impersonation or compromised accounts messaging contacts. So what should you do? Always verify through a second channel. Call the old number or reach out to a known person. Establish a family code word. A simple phrase only your family knows. If the code word is wrong, no money should be sent. Additionally, enable WhatsApp two-step verification and limit your public personal information online. If you've already sent money, contact your bank immediately. Pause. Verify. Protect. Scam number 5. QR code scams, also known as quishing. You see QR codes everywhere. Car parks, posters, menus, and payments. Here's the trick. A scammer places a sticker over a real QR code. When you scan it, it takes you to a fake payment page. Remember, a QR code is not automatically safe. It's just a shortcut. Here's what you can do. Check for stickers and overlays. Preview the web address before paying. And if you're unsure, type the official website manually or use an official app. Never save card details on random pages. If you entered your card details, freeze your card immediately. Contact your bank through official channels and monitor your transactions closely. Don't tap. Type it. Scam number 6. Invoice fraud. If you run a small business, this one can be brutal, as one email can cost you thousands. It often looks like a normal supplier email, claiming, "We've updated our bank details. Please pay future invoices to this new account." Sometimes they add urgency, saying, "We need it today. Please confirm ASAP." Here's why it works. People are busy, payments are routine, and the email looks familiar. This is business email compromise. Criminals may impersonate others or infiltrate email chains, but you don't need the technical details. What matters is the protection. Remember, email is not verification. Now, imagine this scenario. You're closing the week with a stack of invoices, wanting everything cleared before the weekend. An email arrives with the same logo and tone, but the bank details have changed. You think, fine, update it, and pay it, then move on. Later, the real supplier calls, saying the payment didn't arrive. Now you're in a mess. Cash flow hit, time wasted, and a painful investigation ahead. Here's the practical protection process. Implement it in your business. No bank detail changes by email alone. Always verify using a known number from your own records, not the number inside the email. Use two-person approval for any bank detail changes. Restrict who can edit supplier details. Create a simple checklist for high-value payments. Watch for lookalike domains and tiny spelling changes. Be extra cautious on Fridays and at the end of the month. Confirm purchase order details and invoice history. Train staff that urgency is a red flag. Have a basic incident plan. Know who to call, what to freeze, and what to document. If you accidentally paid the wrong account, act immediately. Contact your bank through official channels and report it fast. This one change alone massively reduces risk. Callback verification using known details. Pause, verify, protect. Scam number 7. Job and recruitment scams. What it looks like. A recruiter offers you a job very quickly, often after a short interview, sometimes even on chat apps. Then comes the hook. They ask you to pay for equipment or send sensitive documents right away. Here's a pattern interrupt. A real job does not require you to pay to get hired. Now let's talk about red flags. WhatsApp-only interviews, instant offers without a proper process, pressure to act today, email, domain mismatches, requests for sensitive documents too early, and any fees. What should you do? Verify the company independently, apply through official channels, and remember, never pay to get hired. If you've already shared sensitive details, secure your email, change your passwords, and monitor your accounts. Inbound urgency is a red flag. Don't pay to get hired. If you remember only 3 things from this video, here they are. 1. Don't tap, type it. 2. Inbound urgency is a red flag. 3. Verify money requests with a second channel. Now, let's dive into a simple 30-day protection plan. You don't need perfection. You need a routine. In week 1, secure your email. Create a unique, strong password. Turn on multi-factor authentication. Review your recovery options, and remove anything outdated. In week 2, secure your devices and banking. Update your phone and laptop. Turn on bank alerts for payments and new payees, and ensure your lock screens are activated. In week 3, brief your family and staff. Teach them the 3 rules. Set a family code word for money requests, and for businesses, establish a simple rule: no payment changes via email links. In week 4, focus on payments and incidents. Implement two-person approval for sensitive payments, use callback verification with known details, and write a basic incident plan outlining who to call, what to freeze, and what to document. If you want a simple summary checklist, comment one word: checklist. If this video helped you, please take a moment to hit like and subscribe. Your support helps us reach more people across the UK, allowing us to warn more families and small businesses. Share this video with just one person, someone who orders online or manages payments at work. Remember, pause, verify, protect. This content is for educational purposes only and not legal advice. Visit DacShield.com for more information.